Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best human design is probably one of the most fascinating self-discovery systems out there, offering a unique blueprint of your energetic makeup. It combines astrology, the I Ching, Kabbalah, and the Chakra system to reveal your personality, strengths, and potential challenges. By understanding your human design chart, you can unlock your authentic self and make decisions aligned with your true nature, leading to greater fulfillment and purpose in life. Number 5. Crystals for Beginners, Healing Power Guide. Are you curious about crystals? This guide is perfect for beginners. It will introduce you to the basics of crystal healing. Crystals are natural formations with unique properties. They have been used for centuries for their potential healing benefits. This guide will help you understand what they are. Not sure where to start? The guide offers advice on selecting your first crystals. It suggests some popular choices and explains their general uses. Learn how to incorporate crystals into your daily life. The guide provides simple methods for cleansing, charging, and using them for various purposes. You can start using them right away. Dive deeper into the world of crystal healing. This guide offers insights into the potential benefits and how to work with crystals. It is a great starting point for your journey. What we like. This guide is perfect for those new to crystals. It offers a simple introduction to crystal healing. If you're just starting your journey with crystals and want a straightforward, easy-to-follow resource, you should consider this one. What people say. Human design is a powerful tool for self-discovery. It provides insights into your unique energy and how you interact with the world. It can help you understand your decision-making process. Number 4. Chakra Healing, Beginner's Guide to Self-Healing. Are you ready to explore the world of chakra healing? This guide is designed for beginners, offering simple yet effective techniques. It will help you balance your chakras and promote self-healing. Chakras are energy centers within your body. They influence your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. This guide will help you understand each chakra's role. Learn practical self-healing techniques to balance your chakras. These techniques include meditation, yoga, and other practices. You can use them to improve your overall health. Explore various self-healing techniques to harmonize your chakras. These techniques are easy to follow and can be integrated into your daily routine. They will help you achieve inner peace and balance. Start your journey to self-healing today. This beginner's guide provides all the necessary information. It will empower you to take control of your well-being. What we like. This book focuses on self-healing through chakra balancing. It provides techniques to harmonize your chakras. If you are looking to understand and balance your energy centers, this guide is a great choice. What people say. It provides various techniques and methods you can use to awaken and balance your chakras, which makes it easier to heal whatever it is that may be troubling you. The fantastic book covers the following topics. The first part, the powerful chakra system, explaining an overview of the chakras and working with the chakras. The second part, healing your chakras, which lists some of the common symptoms and ailments and healing remedies and treatments. This book has information and tells us how to do things. Great book. Number 3. Human Design, the definitive book of human design by Rau Hu. This book, written by Rau Hu, explores the science of differentiation. It provides a comprehensive guide to understanding yourself and others. The book was published on May 3, 2011. It delves into the core principles of human design. This system offers insights into your unique design and how you interact with the world. The book helps you understand your strengths and weaknesses. This book is a definitive guide to human design. It is a must-read for anyone interested in self-discovery. The author provides a clear and concise explanation of the complex system. The book was first published in 2011. It has since become a foundational text for human design practitioners. You can learn a lot from it. This book helps you understand your unique design. It provides a framework for self-discovery and personal growth. You can use it to improve your relationships and make better decisions. What we like. This book is a comprehensive guide to human design. It delves into the science of differentiation. If you want a deep dive into human design, this is the definitive resource for you. What people say. It describes such complex behaviors, personality traits that we all have in ways that helps us comprehend why we are the way we are. It identifies our gifts, talents, and our challenges with strategies to help us become more effective in life. It's well written, comprehensive, detailed, and delightfully arranged so the concepts of human design are immediately grasped, understood, and applied. Number 2. Human Design Activation Guide, Quantum Alignment System. Are you ready to unlock your potential? This guide offers an introduction to your unique design. It's a journey of self-discovery. Human design reveals your energetic makeup. It provides a map to navigate life with authenticity. This system can help you understand yourself better. This guide helps you activate your design. It offers insights into your strengths and challenges. This will help you to align with your true self. The quantum alignment system is the key. It provides tools for personal growth. It helps you to live in harmony with your design. Start exploring your unique blueprint today. This guide is your first step. It is designed to help you live a more fulfilling life. What we like. This guide introduces your quantum blueprint. It focuses on activating your design. If you're looking for practical steps to apply human design, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. So easy to understand if you are just getting into HD. It explains a lot of things. With this book you can learn about your human design. If you're new to human design, it's a nice reference guide. Number 1. Understanding Human Design, Facilitator's Guide. This guide explores the core of human design, focusing on the centers within your body graph. It helps you understand how these centers influence your life. The book offers insights into turning pain into opportunities. It provides tools and techniques for personal growth and transformation. It's designed for facilitators, coaches, and anyone interested in guiding others. This resource provides the knowledge to help others navigate their human design charts. By understanding your centers, you can unlock your potential. It provides a roadmap for self-discovery and living in alignment with your design. This book is a deep dive into the world of human design. It offers a comprehensive understanding of the system and its practical applications. What we like. This book focuses on transforming pain into possibility. It is a facilitator's guide to understanding the centers in human design. If you want to understand how to transform your pain, it is the right choice for you. What people say. Wynn clearly and concisely explains the basics of HD and where to acquire one's chart so new students can dive in as well as more seasoned learners. Wynn's focus upon each center as the theme of the book provides a richer experience, allowing the reader to really get comfortable swimming in the depth the author shares to get cozy within our own personal experience with the expression of these energetic centers. The author offers thorough yet accessible interpretations providing core information as well as journal questions, meditations, and self-exploration tools, ensuring the reader feels like an active participant in this learning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.